For over 50 years, homemade and fresh have been the heart and soul of Shady Maple Farm Market. It is no different when it comes to our pies. It started with Marvin and Miriam Weaver and their time-tested Pennsylvania Dutch recipes. Today, those same recipes, just slightly refined, are still made from scratch, right here in-house. Over 20 kinds of pies, all baked fresh, all made with care. From seasonal favorites like apple, cherry, and pumpkin, to the most beloved classic of all, Shoofly Pie? Yes, even some of the original 1970s baking equipment is still in use. Because tradition never goes out of style. At Shady Maple, every pie is a slice of history. Baked fresh, baked from the heart.